So, my friends of powerful AI, let's try to install Oobabooga for that you can use it as RAG for reading text and searching the internet. As I told you, the version 2 is just the long-term memory, and the function you're looking for are not really working there. I guess it's just a quick update from 1 to 2 that it function as long-term memory. So let's see what we can do. Is it? Yes, it is here. Pretty sure this does not work out of the box.
I'm doing great.
So, yes, it loads directly. Because I guess we installed Superbooga version 2. Super version 1 is there. Let's see what we have. So we should have 2 of these here. Then now it becomes complicated. The one with the benchmark is the version 2. Don't touch it, just use it as long-term memory, let it run. And here you can interact with, yeah, let's try something. Let's take our lovely Oobabooga, or let's see, guess there's some, here's the wiki. Should we do? Yeah, see. Oh no, that's wrong. Perhaps. Let's see what happens. No data. It does. It has loaded it. Let's ask our lovely model for something specific. Let's, for example, this. It looks like prefix match hits. Looks like this is working.
That you mentioned Webbit. In the context of large language models like Kuan, Llama, or the ones used in Oobabooga, bits refers to the number of bits used to quantize.
It looks like it is working. Let's try something. Uh, we have something. Try it. Where models will be saved in should be enough. Let's see.
That you're curious about where models will be saved. In the case of Oobabooga, the default location for saving models is typically within the Oobabooga repository directory. When you download a model, it will usually be placed in a subfolder such as models or.
Yeah, it's really working. I guess cannot has the information without reading these text. So yeah, now you have it. This was I read in the forum there was very often a question. So you have two Superbooga versions, one with the benchmark here. You leave completely alone and you do nothing with it. It's just your long-term memory mean by chat, and this is the other version. There's also a file input and yeah, text input where you can just, I guess, just write in something. It's like you can also use this as long-term memory. For example, just um, store the chat and uh, put it in here. This is also possible. I guess a lot of guys from Silly Tavern do it like this, so they make a manually long-term memory. Also, you can, if you want this version, which you don't have to because you have Oobabooga 2 or Superbooga 2, you can also say uh, uh, make a quick text about what we discussed today. And then you store it somewhere, and then you can load it in as text again. So this is a kind of long-term memory. So let's say a text of 1,000 words, and then it's got always compressed. Yeah, even if you go on, it's just 1,000 words, and the model knows where you talked about. So I hope this helped. Bye. See you next time.